Hello guys, Swaroop here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we will quickly learn about the Claude Usage Meter, which is a new browser extension launched by Selector Sub team. So anyone using the AI tools in recent days know about the Claude tool. So Claude.ai is the tool by Anthropic. You can access using the web browser, where you can use it for asking different prompts for whatever you want to learn. So there is a free plan I'm currently using, and there are also paid plans if you wanted to upgrade. And even in the companies also, with your official login, companies are providing the cloud access for day-to-day work perspective in order to take the help. So what exactly this cloud usage meter? So in the AI terminology, we know like there will be day-to-day tokens will be provided. Either the officially, if you are having the company access, you will be having tokens weekly or monthly basis. So in order to track your usage and avoid excess usage, right, you can use this simple tool in order to track your tokens, and you can get the alerts easily. So you can either install it in the Chrome browser or Edge browser. This is supported currently in two browsers. So currently I'm in the Edge browser. I'm adding to the Edge. So it will go to this Microsoft Edge store, where you can get this extension Claude Usage Meter. Add extension, and then now it got added. So go to the new chat, and I'm just refreshing the window. So you can see this strip is coming, right? This particular strip for Claude Usage Meter is coming only after you install the Claude Usage Meter browser extension. So simple, like you just need to go to selectorsub.com, and on the home page you are having this Claude Usage Meter option. You can add it to the Edge or add to the Chrome, whichever browser you are using. You can add it to your browser, and then come back to Claude.ai, your current session, and you can simply refresh your session. You will be able to see the current session you are using, how much percentage you have already consumed. So my current session is started like few minutes back. I was giving some prompts to just test it out. So now, like within 5 hours, the free plan is having some limits. Like every 5 hours, the tokens limits will get refreshed, and weekly also there are some limits. So my weekly limit will be refreshed after 37 hours. So suppose you want to learn more about this Claude free plan token limits. So I am simply giving some prompt to just test it out. So I am currently on free plan, and you wanted to know the free plan token limits. So let me give this prompt and wait. So this is the result it has given. Based on the latest information, don't have any published fixed tokens, but there are certain limits. So you can able to send 15 to 40 messages every 5 hours. So if you are using the cloud during the peak hours, there may be less messages you can do, but during the normal time, more than 40, around 40 messages you can chat within 5 hours. So, and also there is some weekly context also. So for paid plan, there are some limits. So if you want to track that and don't want to exceed the usage, right? This is the free tool that is available, and this is the simple browser extension. And if you don't want this strip to be available in your chat, so if I refresh one more time, you will be always seeing this above your prompting window. So even in the new chat also, you will be getting that. If you don't want this, just close it. And again, if you want it, you can just go here and use the pin option in the extensions, and click on the Claude usage meter and show usage strip above the chat. Now the strip will come back. If you don't want, you can close it. If you want, you can also enable that. And your session also is currently at 20%. So if you continue to prompt here, the session usage will increase, and it will reset every few hours. So if you are using a official company license based tool access, then maybe it will have more token limits, and you will continue to use based on the limit. And if you don't want to exceed, then you can need to just track your usage, and once it resets, you can continue using that. So that's it on this Claude usage meter quick tutorial. So make use of it in your day to day when you are using the Claude.ai tool. So It will help you to track your usage and also make sure you don't exceed your limits whenever you are using in a day-to-day basis. Thank you.